The game will be girls versus boys. Time to sleep, little boy. Each player gets 3 cards. 1, 2, 3 for you. 1, 2, 3 for me. You begin.
No, you begin.
Alright, I don't care. 2 red bones. Oh, I'm scared. Don't wake up, little boy. Ah! You freaked me out.
It's my turn, and I'm not scared. You're gonna be a good boy, aren't you? I'm going to go very slowly. Hey, I got it! Hero! Ha 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 ha
Oh,
ha.
great. Just one. Point for the boys.
Oh! Just 2 more, and the girls will win. Ah!